Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change sentence case in Adobe InDesign. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Adobe InDesign software. Then open your document or create your document. Now you can see here are my document. Now I change sentence case in this document. At first I have to select some text. To press this text box, then I select this text, then go to type option. Now you can find change case option. Now you can see here are many case option. Now I choose my sentence case. Now simply just click this sentence case. Now you can see I change sentence case in Adobe InDesign very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.